안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're cooking Dol-namul Muchim. Dol-namul is this one. It's Stonecrop. So we're going to use our Stonecrop and we're going to make something like a Stonecrop salad that uses sagwa, apple. So in Korean, sagwa is apple. We take these things, put them together. We take it, put it together and make this delicious Korean side dish that is perfect for any time of the season, but especially these days in spring because we've got lovely Stonecrop. So let's begin. Well, this looks delicious. Let's get in. Let's eat this. Yeah, that's to die for. Oh, this is great. Perfect. Ah, more. Wow, that's so good. You get the crunch from the dol-namul. It's already a very crunchy sort of vegetable or plant. Then with the crunch of the apple, as well as a little bit of that sweetness from the apple. This is really that sort of sweet, tangy sort of flavor. So good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I post a new Korean dish every week. So enjoy your cooking this week as well and have a good day. Thanks for watching.